Track 1.29. Vocabulary. Exercise 2. Our world. Facts and figures. 1.
There are 7 billion people in the world. There are more boys and men.
2.
There are 40 new babies in the world every 10 seconds.
3.
The population of Tokyo, the capital city of Japan, is 13 million.
4.
There's a village in Norway called A. And there's a town in Britain called...
Llanfair pwch gwyn gillgo gari chwyr yn drobo llantysilio gogo goch.
5.
There are 196 countries in the world.
6.
Ava, Lucas and Charlotte are popular names for children in Australia.
7.
There are 100 families in this long house in Malaysia.